got the best of me. It's actually Ben and I's anniversary, so we're actually gonna go to dinner.
Dinner time.
Good job cleaning the office.
You can see here our garage is pretty much packed with all this stuff.
Is it dry yet?
It's dry. Rub it. So now that everything's painted and we're just waiting for the last shipment of stuff to come in. Wood slats are here. So the plan is to put wood slats against this window. So it's just part of it, just kind of as an accent wall. The wood slats are really, really expensive. So we only bought 2 sets. So that's gonna be 4 individual panels. So I'm gonna go grab them from downstairs and then I'm gonna install them. The plan is to frame in this window with the wood slats, but I'm almost worried that we don't have enough wood. I just like eyeballed it and I was like, oh yeah, that's enough. This thing is 94 inches all the way across. It's a little more than 94, maybe like 94 and a half. Including the felt, it's like maybe a little bit more than 12 and a half. So I think we have exactly enough. 47 inches. This is like 12.75. 4 pieces are 12.75. How much is that, honey?
Like around 50 inch.
So if I cut off 50 inches of 94, how much wood do I have left? The 2 pieces will frame the window. And then we'll have 1 full piece here on the left and another full piece on the right. I think we're good. Yay. Oh yeah. So the wood slats are done, but I think that the way they look actually makes me hate my window. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see that the window is actually like white, but the wood from the window is like a reddish tint. So it just makes the window very windowy. It's super noticeable. So I think I'm gonna paint it black. And I just ran to Lowe's and picked up some black paint and a paintbrush, so we're gonna do that.
Yeah.
It's the weekend, so I can finally film during daytime. Anyways, I let the window dry overnight and then hopefully, and hopefully the window will look good. So we're gonna take off all of the frog tape and check it out. I think the black looks so much better. Or dark gray. Woo! So now that the walls are all set up and everything is clean in the office, we finally get to put things back into the office. Our plan was to either do our sit-stand desk or to do the Besta cabinets from IKEA that are gonna go into the closet. I think we're gonna do the Besta cabinets first because we have all of this space here on the ground to utilize to build everything. But as soon as we set up our sit-stand desks, they're gonna take up a little bit more space. So I am going to grab all of the different packages from IKEA. There's a little problem too, but because I designed our Besta cabinets with IKEA's like design tool, it's a bunch of random pieces and we have to build them together. They don't actually have like an instruction manual, so hopefully all goes well. We have to get all of this upstairs, so wish me luck. I think I need some help. So all of this stuff here is supposed to make up 2 Besta units that we're gonna put in each of our closets. One of them is going to be where we're gonna put our 3D printer and our vinyl cutting machine, and then the other one is mainly for storage. As you saw from our previous video, our main concern is that we don't have enough storage to put all of our belongings and all of our stuff, and it just kind of clutters up. So we're really trying to maximize storage. The problem is, I designed these Besta units on IKEA's website with their Besta design tool, but everything comes separately I barely even remember how I designed it in the first place. I think I have a draft saved on my email. So I think we're just gonna print out the picture and try to build everything according to plan. So yeah, wish us luck as we do that.
Dinner time.
Dinner time. It's actually our anniversary, so we're gonna go to our anniversary dinner, and when you see us back, we're gonna put this together, but it is gonna be nighttime.
2 hours later.
So we have Besta units. It's 2 big ones on the bottom and 2 small ones on the top. This one's gonna be where our 3D printer is going, and then you can see all the drawers in here. Got it?
Okay.
We can do it. We'll try not to kill each other halfway through. We have 8 drawers, and each drawer has 3 different boxes that have 3 different instruction manuals. Okay.
It looks like that.
Next. Oh shoot. I can't figure it out. Oh, you got it. Oh, so we have a total of 8 drawers, so we have 6 more drawers to go. Oh boy. I don't want to ever see a Besta unit ever again. It got the best of me.
It's currently 2 a.m. and we just finished building this cabinets. Look at Jenny.
Don't look at me.
I think they look pretty good. What do you think?
Besta, 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 besta. Besta shelves. Besta, besta. Good night. Next we have 2 pieces, but it's for the same thing. It's the IKEA V-house, I don't know. So we're gonna build this one and it's gonna go there. And then we have 3 Alex drawers too that we're gonna put together today. And those are gonna go below our desk. So let's do it.
So,
I'm checking to see if there's a weight limit. It doesn't say, it just says don't set TVs on top. It's very sturdy. Oh my god, I left one behind! Oh no!
what are you doing now?
I'm making us some dumplings because I'm too hungry. It's already 1 o'clock and we haven't eaten anything yet. So, commercial break. Just kidding. We don't have commercials. No one sponsors our stuff.
A few moments later.
Okay, we just have 3 more of these and then we'll take a break. So, I get 1, you get 2 because you have so much stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go Alex drawer. Oh yeah! Our desk. Wait, let me be on that side. Yeah! We decided to stick with a similar layout from our previous office, so we both still got L desks, but this time we shook it up a little bit by going with sit-stand solutions. We had originally looked around the market for a large L desk, but didn't find anything that suited our size requirements. So we decided to build our own desk. The desk frames that we chose to go with are from Vivo, and it's their 3-legged L-frame desk. We topped the desk off with butcher blocks from Home Depot, which luckily they delivered because boy oh boy were those heavy. We chose to go with real wood instead of the alternatives like laminate because we could cut virtually anywhere and then sand it down to make sure we had finished edges. In the end, Ben's desk ended up being over 99 inches long. That's crazy. According to the manual, it can support up to 264 pounds, and the legs feel super sturdy and feel totally secure even when they're raised with us on it. Granted, we're only 120 pounds each. We wanted to stain the desk to bring out the texture of our wood and then also help protect it from stains and damages in the future. For the colors, we went back and forth on what stain to color it because we couldn't agree on one. Ben really wanted a dark color and I wanted a light and warm color. So we decided to get colors that would complement each other instead of being the exact same color. Ben chose to go with this slate slate color, and I went with natural. This was our first time staining anything, and it did test our patience a little bit. We ended up doing 2 coats for each person, and then we waited a full 24 hours before applying the polyacrylic clear coat. The colors ended up looking really good together, giving kind of a yin-yang feel. You can see here the differences in color. Ben's color is kind of dark, kind of moody, while mine is light and welcoming. Both colors feel more, I don't know, alive than the original middle color. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the slate, the natural, or the original color? Or would you pick a different color? Desks and furniture are all set up, so we just have a couple more things to put in the office, so stay tuned. We're super excited to share with you guys what we have in store. There's our desk coming in, some more tech, and some fun lights, so subscribe and follow us for more so you don't miss out on any of our new office content. For those of you who stuck it out to the end of the video, I just wanted to say thanks. We're super excited that you're also excited for our office. It's a lot of fun to do some different content like this, so thanks and shout out to you guys. Peace out.